Welcome. In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy M32 and today I will show you how fingerprint sensor works on the smartphone. So we are going to make the fingerprint scatter test. So at the first I'm going to lock the smartphone and let's make like 5 tries and let's see how it works and if it is reliable for sure. So let's go. So as you can see, it's very fast. You put your finger on the sensor and it unlocks the smartphone immediately. It's also reliable, it works every time. You have to remember that you have to put your finger to cover the whole sensor, because when you make something like that, okay, even when you make something like that, you are still able to unlock the smartphone, so it's very cool. So as you can see, it works very fast. But as you can see, it was like 2 or 3 tries that it doesn't unlock the smartphone, so it's not reliable in 100%, right? But definitely it works very, very fast. As you can see, it struggled to unlock when you lock the phone sometimes, like in this case, but definitely it worked really, really fast. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.